I'm Susie Teal. I'm Head of Marketing and Communications for Advanced Robotics for Manufacturing, or ARM. So the United States is in a great position to be a leader again in advanced manufacturing, and ARM hopes to be a catalyst of that movement. We are a federally funded national consortium. We work with about 200 members across the United States. And our focus is really bringing forward innovative robotic technologies and workforce strategies to help grow American manufacturing again. And the way that we do that is that we fund projects. In place today, we have over 40 projects that are focused on advancing the state of robotics. And it's not early research, it's really applied research. So it's taking technology that's already been developed and working within a team of industry players, academia, government organizations to determine how to move that faster into production so that this technology can be used by more small and medium-sized manufacturers. But moving forward, technology isn't enough. You have to make sure that you have a workforce that's ready and able to use this new technology. And that's another key part of what ARM does. We work with educators and nonprofit organizations across the United States to come up with new programs to train people to become robotics technicians, work in robotic repair, and to get as many young people as possible interested in robotics careers and STEM careers. We very much enjoy being part of this conference. We'd love to have you learn more about us. You can do so by visiting arminstitute.org. You'll learn about our membership opportunities and the projects that we're working on. And we'd love to see you at a future event.